Yes, be ready, start. The demands of science are very quiet indeed, and we should not grudge making the requisite allocations for scientific research stop. I think Mr. Humayun Kabir was quite right when, at the conference of scientists and educationists, he suggested that at least 1% of the national income should be allocated for scientific research and so on stop. I think it is not a very big demand stop. At present we spend only rupees 40 crores, and that is not by any account an adequate sum, which indeed, in order even to implement what has been spelled out in the Scientific Policy Resolution of 1958 stop. What is the use of passing a resolution and declaring from the top of the house to the world and at the same time not making adequate financial allocations in order to carry out the tasks set out in that resolution? Therefore, the blame in this matter largely lies with the government and the cabinet stop. The cabinet, I do not know, has very many committees under it, but it should pay a little more attention to scientific research, and I think everything should be done in order to meet their financial requirements stop. The finance minister of the country should be asked to find money for scientific research, because if you spend money, you extend your exploration of the uncharted resources of our country that will lead to an increase in production stop. Also, in various other scientific fields, the scientific urge for work will lead to increase in national wealth stop. Therefore, whatever we may spend today out of our financial resources, or even by deficit financing, if you like, that will be more than rewarded by the rapid strides that we would be making a few years after as a result of scientific investigations, discoveries and so on stop. So, very important stop. There is very important stop. We should have a far-sighted view in this matter, and we must try to see beyond our nose stop. As far as the finance minister is concerned, when it comes to science, he certainly does not see beyond his nose, and that is the trouble with him stop. Will the honorable minister in charge of scientific affairs kindly pull up his colleague in the cabinet meetings and tell him as to how he should pay a little more attention to the problems and requirements of science in the progress of India stop.